Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over another section of our tutorial on how to set up Twitch, and we're going to be talking about extensions today. Let's get right into it. All right, everybody. So we want to show you how to use extensions today. This is going to go right along with our channel setup as well. So first thing you want to do is you want to get into Twitch, and you want to go down to your profile icon, click on it, and you want to go to channel. And what we're going to do is we're going to set this up. So your home tab is not something that you can modify yourself in terms of the layout, but you can modify things on it. So popular clips is going to automatically be shown there. Recent games you can remove, but you can't add recent games. You actually have to stream with these titles in your category, and that's how they show up here. They do fall off after a period of time. So if something does, but you really want it shown there so people can get an idea of what you play, you need to stream it again. And finally, you have your streamers that you are going to host when you are offline. You can edit those by hitting edit, suggest the streamers, and add or remove people. We're going to skip about, but we're going to jump to schedule. Now, this is something you can set up inside of your creator dashboard, and you can edit it by hitting edit schedule, and then you can add or remove streams. Please understand that you can only have one stream on the calendar per day. So if you're going to stream in the morning and then at night, you have to choose which one of those you're going to have on your schedule because they both will not fit. The next tab is videos, and this is just all of your videos. Now, if you were using collections, it's going to show you some of the collections that you have enabled. Borderlands 3, stream guide, and recent broadcasts. If I wanted to click on this, you go to collections. Now you're going to see all of the collections that I've created and the videos that are inside of them. So going back to about, this is the page that's going to be seen when you're actually live on Twitch. If you want to show people some information about when you're streaming next, like I have, or you want to just add some information for them about why do they want to subscribe to you, or any of the number of extensions that you can add, which we'll get to in a moment. So this is my about page, and what I have here is I have my countdown for when I'm going live next. I have a panel. These are called panels that list up my subscriber perks. I show my badges or my emotes. On the next line, I have a few more panels that are just personal to me and to my setup. Now, the way that you modify those is you click edit panels, and then you could, for any of the extensions that you have connected with your account, but maybe not live yet, you're going to see them here. In order to change those, you need to go into your creator dashboard, go down to extensions, and modify it from there. And when you're done editing panels, you want to click that to bring it back to this view, which is the non-editable view. So to actually add extensions, you want to go from this page, go back up to your profile icon, and go down to creator dashboard. And then you're going to go to extensions, and you're going to have a gigantic list of extensions that Streamlabs has. And you're going to click install if you want to use it, or if you're not sure what it is, click into it, see what it does. And if you want it, to install. It's as simple as that. Now, once you do that and you go back to your channel and you go back to the about page, you would then see that new extension that you enabled listed here, and you'd be able to use it as you see fit. So that is all about how to set up your channel and how to use and install extensions.